Greetings, counselors. Welcome to a new school year and new initiatives. As you know, the Texas Education Agency requires counselors to track and document their time using a district-approved tracking tool that includes total time worked by the school counselor, total time spent on the components of a comprehensive school counseling program, and the total time spent on duties that are not components of a counseling program. This year, Dallas ISD counselors will use the PowerSchool Counselor Time Tracker to fulfill this requirement. PowerSchool allows us to collect and report data in a more efficient manner. Use your Counselor Time Tracker guidebook to follow along with me as I walk you through the process for accessing the PowerSchool Time Tracker. How to input your time. View a time analysis as well as how to run reports. Let's get started. First, log into PowerSchool from the Dallas ISD portal. If it is not on your dashboard, then you can search for PowerSchool using the search bar. In the top left area of PowerSchool, click People. Select Staff, then select DISD Counselor Time Tracker. The Counselor Time Tracker is a personal account of your daily work, which is why it resides in the People section of PowerSchool. Notice the parts of the tracker. We have been testing the tracker, so you see entries. However, yours will initially be blank. The time analysis by grading cycle is a summary of entries by grading cycle, beginning with the first day of school and last day of school based on the components of counseling and other duties. It is automatically updated as you complete entries. The middle section will show a list of your entries with the date, start and end time, the type and subtype, grade level, and notes. There's also an Excel button to export your entries into an Excel spreadsheet. We will explore how to view an entry and how to download your entries later in the video. The bottom section includes the components of counseling with descriptions based on the SCEI. Now let's complete an entry. Click the New button to enter the Time Tracker log. This is the new Counselor Time Track page, which is where you will log your time. In the top left area is a link to go back to the Counselor Time Tracker main page. Go to the line for log date, start date, end date. Click the calendar button. Choose the date for the entry. For this example, I will choose August 12, 2025. For the time, you can either type the time along with AM or PM. Another method to enter the time is to click on the clock button. A drop-down will appear for you to select the time. You will scroll to the number for hours and minutes, then select AM or PM. Pay close attention to what you selected. Click anywhere away from the area to close the drop-down. It will not automatically close on its own. Next, you will select the type, which is based on the components of counseling and other duties. Then you will select a subtype, which is the task you completed. For this example, we will choose individual planning, and the task was new student enrollment. Select the grade level and add notes to further describe the task. Then click Submit. Now you are back at the main page. Complete this process to account for your full day. The time analysis by grading cycle and list of entries will update as you complete submissions. The example shown in the list section is based on typical entries for a secondary counselor during the first week of school. Your entries will vary by grade level and will change as you complete tasks throughout the school year. To view or edit an entry, click the triangle for the entry date. Notice Edit Counselor Time Track. You may make changes, if necessary, then click Submit. Please note the delete feature is not available at this time. If there are no changes, then you can click the back button for the internet to return to the Counselor Time Tracker main page. You have learned to input your time. Now let's explore how to download time tracker reports. There are 2 report options that can be downloaded into Microsoft Excel. Option 1 will download a list of all entries. Option 2 will download a summary of entries by component within a date range. To download a list of all entries, click the Excel button. The report will appear as an Excel spreadsheet in your Downloads area in the top right area. Click to open the file. Excel will open. Click Enable Editing to have access to the spreadsheet. You can format the spreadsheet to your liking. Option 2 will download a summary of entries by component within a date range. To download this report, click Data and Reporting. Select Reports, then System Reports. Scroll down to the Demographics section to find DISD Counselor Time Tracker, then click the link. Select the date range. Since this is a test report for the purpose of training, I will go back to 2024. Your date ranges will be relevant to you. Click Submit to generate your report. Notice the summary of your entries. To download this report, click the Excel button. It will appear in your Downloads area. Click to open the file. Be sure to click the Enable Editing button for full access. Your spreadsheet is now ready for use. Important reminders regarding the time tracker. School counselors must track their time, per the Texas Education Agency. Entries must be from the first day of school until the last day of school. If you missed a day, no problem. Just go back and add the date for the entry. Time tracker entries are due every Monday by 12 o'clock p.m. for the prior week's time. Use your Outlook calendar to set a reminder to complete your tracker. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, tracking your time is not just about compliance. It's about showing the impact of your work and keeping students at the center. Stay consistent, meet your deadlines, and know we are here to support you.
Created using Powtoon.